I forgot that my GoPro inside of its case does not record audio very well, and didn't realize until I downloaded the video that I was blabbering away and actually couldn't hear anything. So here's a video overlay of a 1970 Honda CB100 that I purchased last week. And there's a little bit of your standard chrome pitting. And obviously you can see on the tail light. Overall, it's very good condition. The spokes have the normal surface rust on them. It just needs a general, we'll just say 50-year cleanup, and then just to ride it. The original cables are a little stiff, so I'll probably replace those. There's the mileage, 8629. Pitting on the turn signals, all this is pretty much normal for all the ones I looked at. I did clean the fenders, shine those up with mothers, but the spokes are all surface rusted, and the aluminum forks, you know, they need to be buffed out. If I want to do that, I'll probably just clean it and ride it. As you saw, the right side cover is missing, and I knew that when I purchased it, so I ordered a set on eBay from a gentleman in Australia, both the left and the right, with the two CB100 emblems that actually have the wings on them instead of just the standard CB100. And I took the mirror off. I couldn't get it adjusted right for my height,